Fascinating, right? Some companies will deploy something and then sort of forget about it and let it die. And other companies, there's so much contention, they need a board to sort out what they want to do.
Well, this has been a really interesting conversation. I think that the event sounded great. It sounded like there was a lot of opportunity for learning. It's a classic technical event where you have a mixed group of people who, like for model-based systems engineers, you could probably get a little bit more deeper into the tactics of, some of the models that are being built to support manufacturing and, bringing products to market in the aerospace and defense sector. So I could see where that was. But then there was also the opportunity to step back and say, okay, well, we have this digital thread we have to put together now. Up to this point, it's showing the progression of the maturity of the market where, it's mostly point-to-point integrations, and people have kind of just sort of, plug the dam and, put holes in the dam to just plug it and get the information from one point to another. But it sounds like that there was a good opportunity here to discuss, take a step back and say, okay, well, what do we really need to be doing? What are some of the things that are coming our way? So, you talked about the progression of TDPs to digital data packages where, things are moving out of, putting everything in a one big fat PDF into more of a link-driven and, go find the information and have a little bit more fluidity to it. So if something changes, it's easier to make the change.